The device is around €200 and comes in this not that beautiful paper box, but first of all you can see the manual. If you open the box, the manual is in 6 different languages with many pictures, so it's also possible to understand if you're not speaking or understanding English, German, French, Dutch, Italian or Spanish. The display is 6-inch large, 15 centimeter, and the magnetic holder is really stable and easy to plug in. A little bit old is the micro USB adapter for the power, but it's working and it will still work in 5 or 10 years. The startup time of the device is a little bit too long, but way better than on other Tomtom devices like the Tomtom Go Classic 6. One problem is if you don't use the magnetic holder, the micro USB adapter is on the back side. If you are using the holder, you can apply the power adapter on the bottom side. First of all, after the startup, you can choose between many languages. I don't know exactly how many, but we choose English and as a country as well as the location. And after that, you can choose what vehicle you are using exactly. Then you can apply your individual dimensions, the weight, and your max speed of the vehicle. After that, you have to read and agree the terms and conditions. There is no way to skip. Now, we didn't want to say yes to our location, because otherwise you would see exactly the position. So here you can choose no, it's just for information that Tomtom would get if you would choose yes. And now you can set up your phone. It's a nice feature, but not for now for us because we are just on the basics right now. The feature shows you real-time traffic and updates. You should probably connect the device. Now you can see that the zooming in and out is working really good for a Tomtom navigation system. For example, the Go Classic is building up the whole map if you are zooming out in half a minute. Now you have special features on this device. You have the voice control. I don't know exactly how good it is, but it should work. And then you can apply the 3D buildings. If you don't want to have the 2D map, you can see the exact buildings and how big they are. You can plan your route pretty specific, what type of road you want to use, if you want to use a ferry or not. So you have many options to choose from, but the most important is the navigation itself, and it is quite good working, and most of the users in the internet are saying that they have zero problems with that device and with the inserted dimensions of the vehicle and the roads. The navigation system is showing for your road. One negative aspect that you can read a few times is that the real-time traffic system with the connection to the app is not working every time, and sometimes you don't see exactly where problems on the traffic are, where an accident is. But maybe this Tomtom is the best gadget for you and your traveling. Click on the right for the next unboxing video of the Tomtom Go Classic 6. See you soon.